Have you ever wanted to take a break from YouTube? Maybe you're rebranding your content, need some privacy, or simply want a fresh start without losing your hard work. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube channel private. Let's get started. 1. First, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of YouTube. Click on your channel. 3. Now, click on Customize Channel. 4. On the left-hand menu, click on Settings. 5. Under the Settings menu, select Channel. 6. Then, click on Advanced Settings. 7. Scroll down and click on Manage YouTube Account. 8. In the new window, click on View Advanced Settings. 9. Now, click on Delete Channel, but don't worry, you're not actually deleting your channel. We still have work to do. 10. You'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and enter it. 11. After entering your password, you'll see two options. I want to hide my channel, and I want to permanently delete my content. Click on the first one. 12. Select both checkboxes to confirm your choices. 13. Finally, click on Hide My Channel. And that's it. Your channel is now hidden. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.